Germany's auto giants Volkswagen, BMW, are closing factories for the first time in decades. It reminds me of the Maratha Empire in the 1750s. They had the finest cavalry engineering in India, mobile artillery that could traverse the Deccan. But they refused to adapt when Ahmad Shah Abdali brought coordinated infantry and modern cannon tactics from Persia.
Bhai, Volkswagen is literally shutting plants because Chinese EVs are eating their lunch at half the price. Ye cavalry infantry angle kahan se aa gaya? This is about Tesla and BYD, not horses and cannons.
Precisely the point. The Marathas mastered one form of warfare and assumed it would remain supreme. When the battlefield changed at Panipat in 1761, their rigid logistics and outdated strategy collapsed in a single day. Entire workshops that made saddles and lances became irrelevant overnight.
Okay, I see it now. German engineers spent 100 years perfecting the internal combustion engine, treating it like some sacred cow. Meanwhile, China went full electric, skipped the legacy baggage, and now German engineering excellence is just expensive museum pieces on wheels.
And just as the Maratha Sardars blamed external enemies rather than internal rigidity, German politicians are now talking about unfair Chinese subsidies instead of asking why they were asleep for a decade while the world moved to batteries.
Classic. Blame the enemy for being faster, not yourself for being slow. Abdali didn't win because he cheated, he won because Marathas were stuck in their glory days. Volkswagen didn't lose because China cheated, they lost because they were stuck worshipping diesel.
The lesson from Panipat was written by every historian: adapt or perish. Those who cling to past supremacy become cautionary tales, not empires.
And in 2025, the lesson from Germany is the same: legacy becomes liability the moment you stop evolving. Whether it's cavalry or combustion engines, nostalgia doesn't pay the bills.